Hello friends, welcome to a new tutorial. So today we'll be working in Illustrator and we'll create this kind of stroke on text. So for that all you have to do is just click on this type tool. Just click on any can on this area and just type something. Let's say stroke. I'm increasing this size a bit. And the best thing to do is use a thin font. So let me select a font. Yeah. So generally, the strokes will be much more better and much more visible on thin font. Just a small tip, align it according to your preference. And all you have to do is select this stroke, go to brushes panel, and in that, if you'll see, there is a plus icon which is new brush. Just click on it, and then you'll get all these types of brushes. In that, select art brush and then say OK. So now you will get this kind of a dialog box. And if you'll see, this is our brush. Now in this scale option, select the stretch between guides. You'll get this guides here. Just select it and drag it probably close to this area. Select this one also and drag it around this. And then you'll get this in a particular in between these guides. Just say OK. And now we have a brush here. The same brush comes here. All you have to do is just convert this to now. If you'll try to select and click on this, nothing will happen. That's because this is editable text. If you want, you can create a copy and save this text somewhere later if you want to use it, or else just go to type tool and create outlines. This will make this as a path. Now all you have to do is just select and then click on this brush. So within seconds, you'll get this kind of a stroke implemented on the ideally on text. So like this, you can create many things. And this is just a small thing, but it's very effective. So one more thing which we can do is I'll just scale this slightly and you'll see all this text is not coming around properly. So many times you'll see this kind of issue while creating and scaling down. So best thing what you can do is, let's say I'll make it normal. I'll go back doing Control Z. Yeah. So now what you can do is go select this and go to transform in properties. So you go to properties tab. In that, click on these three dots, which is more options. And then in this section, you'll see scale corners, scale strokes and effects. Select these two. What this will do is when you have this kind of effect on any text, and if you scale down, then these proportions will not alter. So let's try this again. Now, after selecting this, if we'll try, just see, the proportion will be as it is. So like this, you can keep your proportions intact, but all you have to do is select the transform option and that click on these 2 points. Okay. If you want to change this color style and everything, you can tweak the brushes as per your style. So let's say if we don't want this fluorescent bluish green thing. So all you have to do, I'll just take a copy first. All you have to do is just delete this section. So I'll delete this Okay, let me delete it further. All right, I think this would be better. Just select, now I'll select this section. Go to same thing, go to this brushes tab. In that there's this plus sign, new brush. Select the art brush. Let's say okay. And then go to stretch between guides. Make this guides as per this, and then you have this inside the guides, and then just say okay. And then all you have to do is just create a text. Again, I'll create the same text, stroke. Okay, increasing the size so then it's more visible. Then all you have to do is, again, don't just select and click on this, because now if you'll see, we have this second brush also here. But before that, just convert this to outlines. There's this shortcut Shift Control plus O for Windows, and accordingly for Mac you'll have those kind of keys. Create outline, and then just click on this. Once this outline is created, just click on this second brush, and then you'll see this style with this color. So like this, you can experiment with different colors. You can change the color, you can tweak the brush stroke, you can do multiple things, and you'll get different effects here. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.